In the article Perspectives on Climate Change Mitigation, it talks about the effects of climate change on Earth as well as how it impacts humans. More specifically, the damages caused by carbon dioxide emissions are discussed here. The biggest threat right now is the effects carbon dioxide has on the global temperature, as well as the longevity of the impact. It's estimated that 15% to 40% of CO2 emitted until 2100 will remain in the atmosphere longer than 1,000 years. Because CO2 resides in the atmosphere for an extended period, it's almost impossible to recover the damage that has been done by emitting carbon dioxide. The reason carbon dioxide needs to be controlled immediately is because these emissions play a huge role in the 2 degrees Celsius increase problem. If the planet's average temperature increases by 2 degrees Celsius, then more than 70% of the coastlines will rise, which could then result to flooding, quoted from NASA. An area vulnerable to this type of event would be Coachella, California. Coachella is an area below sea level, and if there are enough CO2 emissions, and if there isn't significant change, we will reach that 2-degree mark and Coachella could flood. We learned that with an increase of carbon dioxide, some crops and plants can actually grow and yield a higher percentage relative to now. But as this carbon dioxide levels continue to rise, there will eventually be too much, and combined with higher temperatures, crops will eventually start dying off. Because of the business as usual trend that we are following, as well as carbon dioxide residing in atmosphere for a long time, there aren't many immediate solutions. What I can think we could do best now is to try to start emitting less carbon dioxide so as future generations come and they'll see less, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will eventually dissipate.